I'm going to show you how I do a basic stipple. So one of the key things when you're doing a stipple is to not have a whole bunch of that shape because it looks like dog bones. You want to have some variety in the stippling. So coming out like this and then going back and filling it in, that's kind of the stippling that I prefer. And also when you're doing free motion, especially if you're getting started, the best thing to do is to think ahead. Where are you going to go next? Where are you going to quilt? Because you could come down here and then come back over all the way to the right and then quilt this, and then all of a sudden maybe you have an empty spot that's not quilted, or you've quilted yourself into a corner. So you kind of really have to pay attention to where you're going to go next and what you have not quilted. So right up here I have a leaf that I need to stipple on the top of and then meet where I've stippled before I rolled it. So I'm going to head up that way, and on my way I'm going to work myself to the right. Right here, I don't have much of a gap right there, so I need to be careful coming back that I leave some room to come back. So it doesn't really matter what design you're doing. It's good to like work your way up to the top, kind of come down, go back up, and work your way like fully from bottom to top or top to bottom to the right. So you're not coming back and then quilting from right to left. Also great to make sure that your design is uniform in not only the space but in the size. So you want your spacing to be good, like I'm coming out and then coming back in, and I want to leave the room there to actually be able to come in. So just some things to think about. Okay, I'm going to stop there because my ruler base is going to hit my side clamp. So let me know if you have any questions. I know that's just a basic stitch, but it certainly helps to talk about spacing, which way you're going to go, that kind of thing. Because if you're new, you just, and nobody's told you that, you just don't know. And there's been plenty of times that I worked myself into a corner and then couldn't figure out what to do. So if that's the case and you've done that, you can always start off of one of the stipple lines and finish your quilting that area in that spot. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.